una worst. Now be Nigeria problem. Some of now be celebrities. Now they come social media, they show off na cars. Who your car help? Mr. P, who your car help? No be your mate be Akon where they show off projects. They show off project to bring project lights to Africa. Money they show off school. You come they show off car. They talk.
Hello guys, welcome to Criti Boy Update. And if this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, because that bell will notify you anytime we post a new video. And as well as share this video to all social media platforms and follow us on Instagram at Criti Boy Update and Facebook at Criti Boy Update as well. So guys, I would like make we talk about this more before we proceed to other news updates. This guy may una see they talk angrily. Una know wetin they talk? Wetin they talk be say in the verse they talk say why P-Square, Peter of P-Square go dey show in moto, go dey show flashy things on social media. And again as well, the same thing follow say why Dino Melaye go dey show moto, they talk different things, achievements on social media. And again, wetin first the guy they go come they talk say make Nigerians work hard so that we go fit be like them. But the thing will be say the verse this guy be saying come they talk say why P-Square Peter go they talk this kind of thing. Now he also pass, not being also pass. Even Dino Melaye, he can't talk say Dino Melaye they thief money for political work when they do as senator for Kogi when be say no do anything for Kogi. He can't thief money, can't they talk say make people go work hard. The thing they very annoying. So I go leave una make una watch this video, and after una watch this video, make una comment below how una see this thing, whether it good or it no good. And some people go come say this guy the jealousy, and the guy don't talk and say no be envy matter in day. He just they talk with invest and for heart. So I go leave una make una watch this video, make una talk as they go. My people.
Man, God favor you. No mean say now you work hard pass. No mean say now you labor pass. You know mean say now you wise pass or now you too sabi do. I mean, I used to sleep for studio pass. Men they will sleep for studio from morning till night for years. But God give me a follow your people. Give this one follow here. Just like God they make person first, make pikin first born, make the other one last born. Instead of you to use your own, they force they provoke people. Say now if they provoke people, they talk now say na envy. What it be envy? What it be envy? See Dino Melaye, that one senator criminal. Dino Melaye, you pack people money, go they buy motor. You be senator for Kogi State. Kogi State is one of the worst states in Nigeria. You stay there as a senator. You don't do any. Dino Melaye, you know come and show us any road where you do. Dino Melaye, you know show us any road where you do. You don't do any road for Kogi. You don't do anything for Kogi. Dino Melaye, you give women who they say banana for 5,000 naira. You call camera. They follow you. You share 5,000 into 5 people. 25,000. Dino. 25,000 naira. You will work hard. 25,000. We don't even reach one bottle of NSC myself for club. Now you carry camera, give them 5,000.
These ones are criminals in the school. The senior one is calling himself Naira Marley. Bad influence on others. They were all taken from the bush.
My people, now they see wetin dey happen. This one I go call am say na child abuse. No matter wetin that the children do, they no get right to put them for motor like this. Can they arrest them, they carry them, go sell. But according to report reach us say these people that they talk say them be Naira Marley fans and they be Malians. So according to report, the report tell us say these people, these children, now from bush they see them, and from that bush when they see them they discover some kind of ammunition. When we say that they want to involve themselves into all these bad guys like criminal or those kind of things. Before you know, they go come start to the thief. Now so it be, now so it take the start. But I know say I no support that kind of thing. Not really good. But at first, we Nigerian authorities, I mean the police or the vigilantes whatsoever, we not supposed carry they're not supposed to carry this speaking like this, come put for motor like this. These children they carry them, they go. Is not good. If you look at it, it's really bad, and it's child abuse. So Naira Marley can't see this news. Naira Marley can't vex the thing, can't provoke Naira Marley. Then Naira Marley can't write many things. Can't talk saying they find this school name. It really diverse the way that they attend to these children, the way that they address this issue. Say they want to go to school, make it go meet them, make it go talk, make why they go arrest these children, and he can't talk say they give children money. So after Naira Marley come see the way these authorities they address this issue by taking these children, bundling them in these helos to their to police station, Naira Marley come vex, he come talk say this thing no good, now child abuse, now waiting in column. He come say they no supposed arrest them like that. So he come write for Instagram say, guys, look what is happening in stupid Nigeria. How can you arrest school kids? This is child abuse. The teachers and these stupid uncles with guns need to get arrested. I want to meet all these kids. I owe them money. Please help me with the name of the school or link me up with any of my Malians kids. Thanks. I want to see the witch behind the camera safe. Waiting safe. If Omotekun safe, if they treat your child like this, I mean, what would you do? Did you see the slap? You calling someone child criminal? Omo, I'm so angry. Give me school name, please. I need to go there. Naira Marley can write this one. So guys, make una write what una see for this matter. If Naira Marley right or they wrong, or these people we carry these children they go police station. If they right or they wrong, make una write. Now we get in Nigeria, so now we go judge as the thing they happen and how it's supposed to be.
Madam Naira Marley da. Bojo is okay.
While I know they finish for this country, but as this one they happen for Nigeria, man, they see. Be like say these people na be niggas, so because I don't the year Ogun they kill you for the matter. So that make me say this thing be like say na be niggas and be like say na be this thing happen. So this one come meet a girlfriend for where the play test say, waiting make you go tell my boyfriend say I dey cheat. So I girlfriend can't reply, I can't tell her say now your boyfriend chat me, ask me, oh, but I want to ask something. If that one boyfriend can't chat you, ask you, must you can't talk that kind of thing? Because the way this girl can't take verse, can't meet her friend, they ask him. Because if you hear something, she thought say, they tell you say me they cheat, you don't see me they cheat. So with this, I just believe say maybe this girl feel know they cheat, oh, I say maybe she feel know they cheat. That make her verse they fight her friend. And if it be say this her friend, hi her boyfriend, that make her want expose her friend, or I know might call her expose, or might make her lie against her friend, or not make her expose her friend, anyone. So that guy go come put eye for her body. Maybe he want just spoil their relationship or something like that. So my people, I go leave when I'm gonna enjoy this video, because this one might be the end of this video. So guys, I really appreciate you for watching and stay tuned to this extent. God bless you, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Goodbye.
Baby, what did make you tell my boyfriend? Your boyfriend let chat me up. Your boyfriend, they tell you, oh my head.